IC Markets Review 2025 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. You won't believe how Forex trading platforms have evolved in 2025. IC Markets promises tight spreads, fast execution, and global trading access, but is it a broker you can trust? The surprising truth is transparency. Most people get this wrong by thinking Forex brokers hide fees. IC Markets offers raw spreads, IC accounts, and no dealing desk intervention, ensuring fairness and accuracy in trades. One major advantage is flexibility. You won't believe what happens next when you see IC Markets supports int and trader platforms, providing robust charting, indicators, and automated trading options. Traders can access Forex indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies from a single account. IC Markets also emphasizes security and support, with segregated client funds, negative balance protection, and customer service. Educational materials and webinars help both beginners and experienced traders refine their strategies. However, there are cons. High leverage carries significant risk, and withdrawal fees may apply depending on the method and region. Some traders may find account verification slightly time-consuming. In conclusion, IC Markets in 2025 is suitable for traders seeking competitive spreads, advanced platforms, and strong support. While high leverage and fees are factors to consider, the combination of transparency, flexibility, and security makes IC Markets a solid choice for global trading.